Hello dear student, myself Swati Phutane. Welcome to EVS class. Today we are going to learn new lesson 2.8 Festival Fun. In this lesson we will see about the different festivals celebrated in India. Students, I am going to read the lesson and as well as explain also. So everyone listen it carefully. Lesson number 2.8 Festival Fun. Different festivals are celebrated in our country. We enjoy celebrating all festivals and have lots of fun. We clean and decorate our houses and surrounding areas for all the festivals. We wear new clothes and visit our friends and relatives. We also exchange the greeting cards. Students, as we all know, the different people celebrate different festivals. Many kind of festivals celebrated in our country. We enjoy each and every festival. Also have a lots of fun. People do cleaning and decorate the houses and surrounding areas. People greet one another and wear a new clothes and also spend time in celebration. So let us see some festivals. Gudi Padwa. The people of the Maharashtra celebrate this day as a new year. It is considered auspicious to start any new activity on this day. Here in this picture you can see the Gudi. Here this called the Gudi. This is a put at the main door. Okay. It is the first day of the new year according to the Hindu calendar. It is considered auspicious to start any new activity on this day. Auspicious means that seems like to be a successful in the future. If you start any good thing or activity from this day, it has many chances to come successful. That's why so many people start any good thing or any good activity from this day. That is a Gudi Padwa. Dashera, Lord Rama defeated Ravan on this day. You can see in this picture how the Lord Rama is defeated on Ravan. So on this day we celebrated the victory of good over evil. We also celebrate this day the victory of good over the evil. Evil means what? On the bad thing. Okay. We decorate our homes with the torans and burst the firecrackers. Here, in this picture, you can see how we celebrate the Dasera. Also, we hang the torans at the door and burst the firecrackers. Diwali. This is the festival of lights. People buy new clothes and new household things. They prepare sweets at home, light diyas and burst the firecrackers. Yes, student, Diwali is the festival of light. People wear the new clothes, people clean and decorate their houses with the colorful lanterns, lamps. Also, colorful rangolis are made at the entrance. Yeah, you can see in this picture here. We also do not keep any darkness in the house and also burst the firecrackers. Parsi New Year. The Parsis worship the secret fire in an agery. They wear their traditional dress. In this picture, you can see the Parsis people. They wear their traditional dress on their Parsi New Year to celebrate that day. Ramzan Eid. Muslims fast during the entire month of Ramzan. They offer prayers every day. They serve a special sweet dish called sevai to their friends and relatives. Yes, to Muslim fast during the entire month of the Ramzan. They fast the whole month, they pray the every day and they prepare the special dish sevi to celebrate their happiness. You can see in this picture they hugging each other also, and they prepare this special dish. We call the sevai also, and this is the shirkhurma also. It's special. Okay, they made a special sweet dish and they serve with their friends and relatives, families. Okay, see, Christmas. Jesus Christ was born on the 25th of December. This day is celebrated as a Christmas. People go to church and offer prayers. Here, Jesus Christ was born on the 25th December. This day is celebrated as Christmas. It is carries the message of peace and joy to all. People go to church and offer the prayers for their happiness. Birth anniversary of Guru Nanak. Guru Nanak founded the Sikh religion. The anniversary of his birth is celebrated with the great joy every year as a Guru Nanak Jayanti. In this picture, you can see the Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak. This festival is celebrated as the birthday of the first Sikh Guru in a good manner every year. Now we are going to see the adwords. Festival, festival. Celebrate, celebrate. Decorate, decorate. Gudipadawa, Gudi Padwa. Maharashtra, Maharashtra. Auspicious, auspicious. Dussehra, Dashera. Defeated, defeated. Evil, evil. Firecrackers, firecrackers. Parsis, parsis. Agiary, agiary. Anniversary, anniversary. Christmas, Christmas. I hope everyone understand this lesson. What we learn from this lesson? Our country has people of different religion, but they celebrate all the festivals together. Okay?